Hey guys, welcome back to Road Trip Central. I've got a couple of things to talk to you about today. One being how to fold the back seats completely flat in a Focus ST, and I think probably every other hatchback Focus out there. And then the second thing we're going to talk about is I'm going to announce the winner for the sweepstakes. Well, not really the sweepstakes, the giveaway that I've been doing for the past 6 days, the drilled brake keychain. First, let's talk about the Focus. So when I first got this car, I did not think that the back seats could fold completely flat. I thought that they'd just be about like this. Fortunately, one of my friends that also has Focus ST told me the secret. So for those of you who don't know, I know that a lot of you do, but for those of you who don't, this is how you do it. The first thing you're going to want to do is take off the headrests. This headrest, there's a little button on the side near the post, and you just press that and it will pull out. Now to get it completely off, you're probably going to want to lean the back of the seat forward just a little bit and it pops out. You can also put this on the floor in front of the back seat. For this middle headrest, I think you actually have to press both buttons on both posts for you to pull it out. This can normally also fit on the floor in front of the back seat. Now here's the part that I did not know. So now that we've got the headrests on the floor in front of the back seat, to get the back seat bottom, to get it folded up, all you have to do is do this jerking lifting motion that'll pull out your back. Just kidding, don't pull out your back, but seriously, it's got to be kind of a jerk. Lift it up, and there you go. Got your bottom seat up. Then you press the button of your back seat, fold it forward, and there you have it, a completely flat back seat. So as you can see, this folds completely flat. It is super handy for when you're trying to transport boxes or other things that you really don't want to tip. So now that we've covered that, let's talk about the second thing we're talking about today, and that is who won the giveaway for the drilled brake keychain. And the winner is, drumroll, this is James Payne. I'm going to be reaching out to you, James, so we can figure out how to get that over to you. Thank you all so much for entering, and keep your eyes on our channel. Over the next week, we're going to be doing another giveaway. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.